local Red Cross chapter is putting out a call of urgency for volunteers since they've seen fewer people coming out to help during this pandemic. Jeff Allender is a retired professor and now spends his time volunteering for the Red Cross in Little Rock. He says there is a shortage of volunteers because fewer people are out. At 69 years old, the seasoned disaster relief member says he understands the risks, but he hopes others will see the impact a volunteer can have on people who've lost everything.
We're going to help them organize and plan out their life from that point on and hopefully get back to where they were or even better in the near future.
Allender recently returned from Texas, where he helped families affected by Hurricane Hannah. With an expected active hurricane and wildfire season, the Red Cross is recruiting volunteers to send to regions that might be impacted by these disasters. So for information on how you can help, just go to our website, fox16.com.